Yo, what's up? QuinSan, welcome back to another reaction video. Today we are reacting to Diana Ankudinova Blizzard. And yeah, let's just get into the video with our tell us to react to, subscribe, and let's go.
So she was 15 here. Wow.
Oh, they even use Blizzard wallpaper.
Why does that sound like Harry Potter? That's what I thought she was about to rap. I think this one has heard of. I was listening to her before. I was like, oh god, geez. Yeah, she could again.
Wait, did she with this
Hot top.
like what?
No. It's crazy to think someone that has that deep voice
Can go that low.
can go that high.
Yeah.
Like,
Bro!
wow.
I don't know what to say. She's just so amazing. Like, no cap about that one. She's really so amazing. And yeah, that's Diana Ankudinova. Tell us more things you want us to react to. And to see you next time, guys. Peace.